Welcome to Twinkle Tunes for Kids!
Quack, 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 आओ गाओ, नाच दिया फिर दिया सब दिखाओ.
Five little ducks went out one day on a fun adventure far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only four little ducks came back. Four little ducks climbed a sandy dune. They saw a crab and played a tune. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only three little ducks came back.
बोले हैं सबसे प्यारा प्यार.
Three little ducks flew in the sky. They met a bird who flew up high. Only three little ducks came back. Two little ducks danced in the snow. Made a duck man all aglow. They made a duck that quack, quack, quack. Only one little duck came back. One little duck went to the sea. He built a boat and sipped some tea. Mama duck said quack, 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 but no little ducks came swimming back.
आकृति पहचानो.
Mama duck flew to a jungle green where monkeys laughed and swam between. She called aloud, quack, 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 and heard some little ducks beat tap. Mama duck was sad and blue. She missed her ducklings, yes she did too. She flapped her wings and gave a shout. Come back home and waddle out. Five little ducks came back that day, jumping, flashing, hit parade. Mama duck gave hugs so tight, tucked them all in bed that night.
चमकी quack, quack, ऐसा करो भाई. मांगो दुआओं में प्यार. जग
Hey! Welcome to Twinkle Tunes for Kids!
Five little ducks woke up one day, wiggled their tails and yelled, "Let's play!" They splashed in ponds and jumped so high, underneath the bright blue sky. Quack, 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 splash, splash, splash. Five little ducks go dash, dash, dash. Five little ducks waddled in a line, wearing funny hats so fine. They quacked a song, they danced around, making happy splashing sounds. Quack, 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 splash, splash, dash. Five little ducks go dash, dash, dash. Five little ducks found rainbow shells, shiny bright with lovely smells. They giggled loud and shared them all, stacked them up so very tall. Quack, 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 splash, splash, splash. Five little ducks go dash, dash, dash. Five little ducks chase butterflies, fluttering wings of every size. Red and yellow, pink and blue, flying in the morning dew. Quack, 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 splash, splash, splash. Five little ducks go dash, dash, dash. Five little ducks rolled down a hill, laughing, sliding, what a thrill. They tumbled into piles of leaves, tickled feathers up their sleeves. Quack, 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 splash, splash, splash. Five little ducks go dash, dash, dash. Five little ducks played hide and seek, peeking out with tiny squeaks behind tall grass or big old trees. They giggled softly in the breeze. Quack, 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 splash, splash, splash. Five little ducks go dash, dash, dash. Five little ducks came waddling back, bringing treasures in a sack. Mama duck gave hugs, say now, we waddle river stack. Five little ducks went out to play, over the hill and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only four little ducks came back. One chased butterflies through the air, floating gently here and there. He giggled loud and flew so high, waving wings up in the sky. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks swam through a stream, gliding soft like in a dream. One saw fish with rainbow tails and followed them through golden trails. Mama duck said quack, quack, but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went skipping fast, past a tree and through the grass. One met a bunny and jumped in a race. They hopped away to a quiet place. Mama duck said quack, quack, but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks found a jelly hill, sliding down with a giggly thrill. One got stuck in jelly goo and laughed, "I'll stay and bounce with you." Mama duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck sat under a star, wishing his friends weren't so far. He closed his eyes and whispered low, "I miss my mama, it's time to go." Mama duck said quack, 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 but no little ducks came waddling back. Mama duck flew through sky so blue, looking for her waddling crew. She quacked and called from here to there. She flapped her wings through the air. Then from the hill and by the stream, one by one they came in a gleam. They hugged their ma'am.
Hey! Welcome to Twinkle Tunes for Kids!